Good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Hello. My name is Lucy Walker 808 Inday Luz. So right now we are walking to this road all the way down and come back. It's kind of cloudy today. We just had one drop of rain, so the road is like this, super wet. With my husband and my mom, my mother-in-law. So it's all the way down there, right there, and then go walk around. All the way there. Hello. These are neighbors. We always see each other every morning. And this right there is a beachfront house. It's a very big house. It's mostly beach neighborhood right on this part. It's like the newest built. So right there, there's a gate inside, and there's a plumeria, which is today is not the plumeria season. The mango season is coming out soon. So as you can see, there's one of those houses up there. They have a lot of mangoes already. I'll show you later. So right now we just keep walking. Good morning, Hawaii. Welcome to this beautiful island of Oahu. Okay, that's my son Afrana, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Watch my vlog.
You don't want to get caught in the rain.
Okay. So we're heading back this early because it's kind of cloudy, so it might rain while we're walking. Okay, so right here we are gonna. I will show you the mango tree from on. Hi, good morning. Cute. Yeah, so this is what we do every morning. Not every morning, but most of the mornings. Because I work full time, and if I have free time in the morning, I walk with my husband most of the time. So right now we are on the upper side of the street. Gonna show you a lot of mangoes from our neighbors. So this is the familiar tree. Let's see if I can have some. I cannot reach. I'll take that. Oh, look at that. It's a Filipino flowers. Beautiful. Good morning again. And this is what I told you guys. Here is a mango. It's from our neighbor. So beautiful and yummy. Alright, so morning. With our neighbors again. So this is it. Pansit. Salamat sa inyong pag-view sa aking part of daily routine. Oh, wait. There's more. I'm gonna show you more of this neighbor's fruit tree. So we have this. We call this buongon in Bisaya. Sometimes. Good morning. Video lang. video lang. You know, every time I walk, I saw on the next to the outside. I grab it. Thank you. It's very sweet, yeah.
Yeah, it's sweet.
Thank you. Oh, look at this. They said I can have some if I want to, but anyway, I'll show you this buongon. We We have this, we call this Boongon in Cebu. Oh, so nice, our neighbor. Allah, it's raining! Nagiwan ako te! I need to run! Okay, have to go, bye guys.